Hello people, it's Brandon from LTSP again, and today we have a very nice Franchi SAS12 shotgun. It's a full stock and it's a 3 burst, so this is going to do some damage. Let's just unbox it. We've got the instruction manual, no one ever needs that. Okay, nice bit of styrene there, it's every man's dream. The box just below. So then we've got the main gun. It does come with a sling that I've already put on. I had to go blue from the back, but looks quite nice. Being new, the spring is very
firm.
Firm is a good word. So it's a bastard to pump. So I'm going to put that on there. It also comes with a nice speed loader. This, which you put on the stock of the gun, which can hold 4 shells. And luckily enough, it comes with 4 shells where you pump the BBs into there. These will hold about 30 rounds, firing 3 each time, so you can get 10 shots before you have to reload. And of course, 200.12 BBs. Who the fuck uses .12 BBs? Anyway, we have a very special guest today. I'm almost a little bit too excited about this, but we have everyone's favourite rapist, Barney the Dinosaur, with his most recent victim. So we're going to save Lala, at least what's left of her, and
maybe shoot her a bit as well.
Might probably shoot her a bit as well. I'm not sure about the accuracy of this, so we'll put that there. So what we have at the bottom, it's a little thing you pull there that will open this up. You take a sexy shell, put it in there, then safety, you push that along, so now safety is off, on even, and you just pump it and you're good to go. Okay, pumping this is a bastard, so I'm not sure how we'll fuck it. Not the quickest gun, if I'm honest. Oh.
There is the washing line in the
very fucking stiff. Not sure how many shots we left. It's a bit of a bass. Yeah, we're out. It's not too bad, to be fair. Very good ball shot. We've got a fantastic cock shot.
well, I think we've probably done more damage to Lala than we've tried to disarm him.
Yeah, we'll go with that. Yeah.
So, how much would you rate this shotgun?
I don't know, about 7 out of 10. It's decent. It'd be better if it wasn't such a bastard to pump. But I don't know. It's pretty good. The accuracy's okay. Comes with a sling. It's nice. So yeah, not bad. Cost me about 60 quid, was it? Yeah, 60 quid. So worth checking out. Hello, and I'm now going to use his Franchi shotgun. This could go quite bad.
If you can pump it.
I cannot see past this wig, so I'm probably going to end up shooting everything else but the dinosaur person.
Go on.
Use a 2-hand gun.
It's the way I like it.
Safety. That would be better. Yes. Get a clip of that.
Oh, I'm just going to show you how you load the gun. Look at this. You can't load that fucking gun.
That came back at me and hit me in the cock.
That's hazardous.
I took his nose off.
It's not the fastest gun, to be honest. In the time it's taking to pump it, you would have been killed. Go on, come on. Put your back into it, come on. Take it, bitch. Whoa now, whoa. I think that's it, eh? Oh my god.
Put la la down.
I think that'll do. I'm gonna call this a day before this gets any worse. Hey kids! If you don't subscribe, you're next.